Hey everybody. So I've decided on my next project and it's going to be making my basement ceiling less ugly. The problem that I have is that we can see like drain pipe over there. I've got heating pipe here. I've got a water line there. There's stuff that hangs below the ceiling joist that I can't tuck up into the joist area, and I'm definitely not going to pay to jack the house up. So how do I do this cost effectively? And my idea is to use this coroplast stuff. So I have a test piece here, 3 feet by 6 feet, and I'm going to rip it lengthwise to fit between the ceiling joist snugly, and I might use leftover to cover the joists themselves. I haven't decided yet. It depends on how good it looks just covering the insulation. So that'll tuck up just high enough into the joist to hide the insulation. And with it being white, that should look better. And Home Depot sells these in 4x8 sheets. And if you order 10 at a time, the costs are only $22 each. So I think that's going to be a very cost effective way to kind of hide the insulation, make things look better. And then the other thing I'm going to do, all these light fixtures that I have and some of the wire track, I'm going to take them down as much as I can, and I'm going to replace it with this LED strip lighting. So this one's 32 feet long, but I think even with the 12-volt adapters, it only cost me like 20 bucks. So the LED strip light, it's gotten much cheaper. And if we look at the T8 tube of the shop lights I have, it's pretty much the same amount of LEDs. So lighting wise, I think that's going to do a lot because as you can see, I have lights placed at random everywhere, and I'm going to be able to have strips of light going the entire length of the room. And I also got like this aluminum conduit stuff that's cheap for it. So this is a corner profile, and we have like the straight up U channel. So I'm going to stick the LED strip lights to this stuff, and the aluminum helps act as a heat sink so the LEDs don't burn out. But yeah, I think that's going to be a good project and keep me busy during the winter when it's cold outside. I'm in Massachusetts, so kind of limits the house projects I can do when it's really cold during the winter. So that's the plan. There'll be upcoming videos as I do things. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And if you have any ideas or comments, please share. Thanks.